Okay, today we're going to talk about the M5Stack COM.X module. This is a COM LTE module, so a communications module that goes over the cellular networks, just kind of like your cell phone. Once you get it, if you pop this board out, just gently pry it up from the corners, it should pop off. Underneath is your SIM card slot. So you'll need a SIM card that you can stick inside of there. And I have been using a company called SimBase, which works great for Arduino projects. You can register many different SIMs and only pay for the data that you use. Okay, so then once you get your SIM card in and it's installed, the cool thing about M5Stack is it literally just stacks up. So you have your ESP32 microcontroller, I have a battery base here, and I can squish my LTE module or my COM.X module on top of my battery base, and then I can seat the ESP32 on top of that. If you want to put a screw in it, you can do that to keep it secure, keep everything nice and tight. Just going to tighten this up. The battery base from M5Stack is kind of cool. It's got Lego pins on the bottom, so if you wanted to connect it to something, it also has a battery on it, or a magnet on it, so you can stick it onto stuff. This is the M5Stack battery base, so you can keep it charged up by plugging it on there. So now we have the LTE module in the middle, the S3 core on top, and the battery base powering it. So let's boot it up by hitting the button and see how we go. Nice. So this Core S3 is still running the stock demo software that comes with any M5Stack. The software just kind of showcases the different features that are available on it and the different things that it can do. However, one thing to do if you want to understand if your COM base is working, so you can see in there's a little blue LED inside of this communications base. It'll power up blue initially, and that means it's on and receiving power. And if you see blue and blinking, that's good news. That actually means that the SIM has connected to a cellular network. So at this point, we know that the COM LTE communications is possible and that the SIM is good and it's able to connect to towers. Now all you have to do is write it into your code to use the LTE communications and you're good to go. So just like that. Now I got a little Arduino that I could send out into the world and it'll report back home.